I first heard about Blue Prism when I started my master's at the LSE, so I went to Blue Prism World to experience it a bit more. And there, I really loved the product. The company seemed really cool, and so when they recruited for the Center of Excellence team, I just applied straight away.
My story is like completely different. I kind of just stumbled into Blue Prism. So the role came through a recruiter, and then doing the research, I was like, this company sounds really cool. Plus I had never been in the tech industry, so it was exciting. Onboarding into the COE was amazing. Yeah. Like James had really planned it out. We had time with different parts of the business. There were different social activities to really get to know the team outside of work and how that looks. So that was just incredible.
Yeah, I think I also liked the fact that when we joined, the first day or second day, I think it was, Matt, our manager, he took a full hour with all of the new joiners to sort of just tell us what he expected of us, what we could expect, and what it would be like going forward. And I think that was very good.
Definitely the most amazing things about working for Blue Prism is the ability to kind of forge your own path. So for example, one of the things I'm really passionate about is diversity and inclusivity, and I've been allowed to get involved in the different initiatives, talk about, okay, what does our strategy look like? They paid for us to go to a course, go to a conference. So I don't have an actual clear established, well, this is what I'm gonna be doing in a year, because it changes so quickly, and the company's ability to change with is actually really cool.